Hello everyone, welcome to the 2025.3 Customer and Supplier Data Enablement Materials and Guidelines Overview. The purpose of the session today is to provide an overview of the solution enablement materials, highlighting customer experience, business partner, and supplier data clouds. Please use the chat for any questions or comments during the session. I would like to start the session by providing an introduction to the enablement guidelines and solution accelerators. We'll also present what's new for the 2025.3 update, followed by information on how to engage the product enablement team. I'd like to take a moment to delve into the distinction between the enablement guidelines and accelerator configurations within our customer and supplier data solutions. The guidelines serve as a comprehensive framework providing best practices, use case overviews, data models, MDM data flows, and data stewardship principles. These guidelines are designed to arm our customers, colleagues, and partners with the knowledge and best practices needed to drive faster time to value and an improved implementation experience. On the other hand, accelerator configurations are initial setups focused on common use cases, user personas, and implementation styles. These accelerators act as a starting point, demonstrating best practices and providing a foundation for new implementations. They include configurations for consolidation and coexistence, central onboarding, supplier self-service, and data model support for SAP Business Partners. By leveraging both the enablement guidelines and the accelerator configurations, we ensure that our customer and supplier data solutions are robust, scalable, and tailored to meet the needs of our clients. There are a couple of ways to obtain the solution enablement guidelines. You may find them on the Jira homepage under the Update Information section, or you may also find them within STEP's online help under the Solution Enablement topic. Please note that the version of your STEP environment correlates with the version of the enablement materials that is provided. And now, some more details regarding the customer and supplier solution accelerators. The customer and supplier solution accelerators provide a strong foundation for new implementations. They demonstrate best practices and base configurations, showing how product features work together to deliver a cohesive solution. Each accelerator is packaged to support different implementation styles and common B2B and B2C use cases, aligning with our client's MDM vision. In addition to these core packages, we offer configurations for widely used enterprise applications such as SAP and Salesforce. To request the accelerator packages, please send an email to cmdm@stibo.com. The slide offers a bird's eye view of the key configuration components included in our accelerator package. You'll see we cover everything from data models and hierarchies to roles, match algorithms, integrations, workflows, and user experience. Altogether, this accelerator isn't just a starting point, it's a comprehensive toolkit designed to help you deliver faster time to value with less risk and more confidence. With each incremental release, we continue to enhance our enablement materials. In this update, we focus on two critical integration ecosystems, Salesforce and SAP, delivering new resources for Salesforce connectivity and a robust accelerator for SAP Business Partner. These aren't just point solutions, they're designed to extend across other platforms so our delivery teams can move faster, reduce risk, and deliver real value from day one. One of the highlights of the 2025.3 update is Stibo Systems MDM SmartSync for Salesforce, which is an optional add-on for customer data solutions that simplifies integration between STEP and Salesforce. SmartSync is designed for faster, smoother implementations while seamlessly extending MDM discipline into Salesforce with real-time duplicate prevention such as search before create, bidirectional data sync, and handling complex merge scenarios with confidence. Ultimately, there are two key value drivers behind the solution. The first is centered on improved connectivity and interoperability of customer master data. We're making it easier to integrate Salesforce with MDM. And secondly, we're extending MDM discipline directly into Salesforce. Please see the 2025.3 update material for more information. In the context of our solution accelerator, the following configurations have been added to support MDM SmartSync deployments. A Salesforce source system object for ensuring the framework retains source traceability. Integration endpoints and system users responsible for session authentication, REST receiver, and delivery configurations. Business rules for ensuring smooth interoperability. Note that there are prerequisites, however, to deploying the accelerator, such as obtaining proper licensing, a Salesforce environment, deploying the SmartSync app to leverage the included managed package and reference implementation. As mentioned before, to obtain the MDM SmartSync configurations or any of the accelerator packages, please email cmdm@stibo.com. Also new to the 2025.3 release, the SAP Business Partner Accelerator introduces a new approach in modeling sales area, company code, and purchasing organization data as separate entity objects, not just as data containers. What is the reason for this update? It is because central onboarding and maintenance data flows are complex processes requiring collaboration across multiple teams, and separating these extensions gives you cleaner governance, clearer workflows, and the flexibility to route tasks and approvals to the right teams. This shift is further powered by the new inherit privileges feature for entity references, which enables precise privilege control. For example, sales area data privileges can now be governed regionally, something that was difficult to achieve before. Together, these capabilities set a stronger foundation for scalable, enterprise-ready business partner data management in STEP. Alongside data model recommendations, our business partner workflows serve as best practice templates for managing SAP Business Partner data. These ready-made workflows provide a strong governance foundation, reduce implementation effort, and accelerate time to value. Teams can adopt proven processes for onboarding, extending, and maintaining business partner records, ensuring compliance and data quality from day one. The accelerator includes workflows for onboarding new business partners with sales area, company code, and purchasing organization data extensions, adding new data extensions to existing records, and maintaining and updating business partner data to accommodate ongoing data hygiene activities, such as updating general information. This approach gives organizations a head start on governance, with flexibility to adapt workflows as needed, resulting in cleaner data, clearer ownership, and faster readiness. And lastly, the accelerator now also comes with basic web UI configurations to support the user experience. Since data stewardship happens in the daily work of end users, these pre-built UI components provide your teams with a consistent starting point for how business partner data is viewed and edited. A built-in alignment with the recommended data model and workflows, ensuring the web UI reflects the same best practices. And an accelerated time and value, since it reduces setup effort and enables your team to achieve data quality and governance goals sooner. This means that as you are onboarding a new business partner, adding a sales area extension, or maintaining existing records, your users can work through a clear guided interface, which keeps the process intuitive, compliant, and efficient. For customer and supplier solution engagements, the product team collaborates closely with our services and sales colleagues to ensure success. For each engagement, we join regular stand-ups to understand challenges, review solutions, and share best practices. While we don't own any deliverables or bill for our time, we guide, advise, and gather feedback to improve our product and enablement materials. This collaboration helps shape our roadmap and enhances the implementation experience for everyone involved. If you're involved with or are preparing for a new implementation, We encourage you to reach out to us at cmdm@stibo.com. Thank you for your time.